Hey everybody, Mike, we are back with another video. Yay! On the SL500. I call her Rusty because there was a lot of rust inside this horribly worn trunk. Today we are solving one of the problems. I've got a couple right there for you. But the problem we're solving, you want to tell everybody? Do you want to tell everybody? We got a weird popping sound, right? We're popping and locking today on the video, right? Okay, well, we are popping. Maybe we're not locking. I don't know. Just watch this, okay? Watch this. Monkey. Ren. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
That is the source of our problem. That is the source of a problem, and that is the source of a problem. These two dogs won't let me get any work done. Okay, so we're focusing on Santa's red sled. Yeah, this is Rusty. Rusty makes a popping sound that is really, really weird. And for my research, it's a ball joint on the strut. So let's go in here. We'll give her a start before the battery dies. There we go. Look at this. Yep, no more SRS, no more nothing on the dash except for the brake wear indicator, which I think is because I just haven't driven the car since we fixed the rear brake pads. Okay, but listen to this. This is the issue. Okay, listen. Can you hear it? Yeah, that's horrible. Yeah, for my research, that is the ball joint on the bottom of the strut. They go bad. I actually watched the Car Wizard. He replaced one. Love me some Hoovy. Sometimes. No, I always do. He's got good stuff. But we're going to do that today on Rusty, the red sled. Right? Okay, right there. That. Where'd she go? Right there. Okay? Right here. This little girl right here. She is causing us all kinds of problems, all kinds of sounds. So, basically, super easy. It's just in there super, super tight. So we will spray some penetrant on the nut right there. We will pop that off. Then this you can kind of move around a little bit. It'll turn a little bit. I know this looks like crap. I know. I apologize for that. Then we force out the ball joint and we put in the new one. That was an absolute joy. Let me just tell you how much fun that was. Okay, but we have the wheel, lower control arm up a little bit. We have access to this thing right here. See how loose? Yep, see how loosey-goosey? I got the top 3 bolts loosened as well. So now the fun is getting this out, which means I need a ball joint pusher and puller. So we will, yeah, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay, so we'll push this out. I'll show you what that looks like, hopefully. Fingers crossed. All right, well, let me explain what has happened since we last met. We have ground off the top of the ball joint, okay? Now I have my ball joint press kit, and I have a 30 millimeter, which isn't big enough, but it's just the one that I could find to try to press this thing out, okay? So hopefully we've got this lubed up. We've got my little jack stand right here holding everything together, kind of. We're going to use my power tool to drive this thing out. This is a gift from Randy, and I use it all of the time. So let's see if I can just kind of move this over here a little bit. You have got to be kidding me. This is the story of my life right here. Story of my freaking life. Hold on. We're back with an extension, and hopefully this is going to work. Okay, here we go. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Nothing happened. It's not strong enough. Just not strong enough. Isn't that great? Which means we got to go back the old-fashioned way. Son of a bitch. It is moving. Oh. Jiminy Christmas. This has been a journey. Let me just tell you exactly how much fun this has been. As you can see, the strut had to be removed. I tried it in my press, which is way over there. That didn't get it. And then I got it in crooked. I had to take it out again. Basically, what I had to do was come up with a 36, what is this? No, 1 7/8 right there. Then I had to go here, 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 and here, like that. And then I just had to over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So I got it in. This means I get to do the rodeo. And if you are familiar with Mercedes, you know what that means. Maybe I don't. I'm going to try not to. We'll just have to see, because my little scan tool won't do a rodeo on the Mercedes ABC suspension. So, I don't know. We're just going to have to see what happens. And I don't even want to film the rest of this. Basically, it goes back in the car. Yeah! And then it goes together, okay? Then we'll put some more ABC fluid in it. I have lots of that, fortunately. And we'll lower her down. But I got to tell you, it's been one of those days. It really has been one of those days. Thank you so much. I don't want to do this again, but you have to do this in pairs. So, yay. Yay. Ooh, doggy. Let me tell you how much fun that was. We got her all buttoned up, though, okay? Yep, the 3 nuts, the electrical connector here for the strut, we got that connected. We have the hydraulic line connected right here, and this little rubber boot was oh so much fun to reconnect. Pull it back over where it's supposed to be. You had to loosen this up right here. We have the bleed nipple tightened and the protector on it. We have the new strut ball joint connected, and we have the tie rod connected as well. Okay, now all we have to do is put the wheel on, put some fluid in there, say a prayer, and start her up. Let's do that. You guys ready to see? You want to see what it's like to have a car that doesn't pop? Let's see. I still have this kind of supported. And took my shirt off. Well, one of them, because I don't want to get my seat dirty. All right, let's see what happens. Let's push this button right here. Up, 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 and she has risen. She has popped right back to life. Holy moly. Okay. She doesn't even need this anymore. So, let's see if our work has worked. Okay, let's do a little thing here. Seeing how it's day after Christmas. Okay. Oh. And there's no popping. There's no popping. Guess what we did, folks? We fixed it. We fixed this car. Rusty is... Holy moly. Oh, I gotta sit down. I gotta sit down for a sec. Oh my goodness. This car is coming back so much better than I expected, right? LB, can I call you LB? Can you sit? Sit. Sit. I should probably clean up before I end my videos. But if I do, you don't think I did the work myself. And that wouldn't be right. Okay. Oh. You know, I could probably just draw a Fu Manchu. How about that? There's a mustache. And a goatee. Instant, kind of. Not especially great. All right, folks. Video number, I don't even know, 5, 6. We're pop free. You know what's going to happen next? We got to pop the top. And I think I know what I need to do. So stay tuned for that, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we are back with another edition of Rusty Gimme Kiss. Thank you. All right. Say bye. Legend, say goodbye. 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 Bye-bye. All right, folks. Have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye.